I'm going to say, Christmas Eve is coming soon. How are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring.
Alright guys, the first round of the Hope Gang official 2018 merch is going out. You actually received the clippings from us making your one-of-a-kind gift, so you know that we handcraft these. They come in this really nice little bag that's filled with goodies that represents the spirit of the season. Hope Gang, 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 gang. Guys, we are sending 2 packages off to, what's the name of the organization, Fran?
Developing Butterflies Big Sister Program. Thank you, ladies.
You're welcome. I hope you, this is the official merch from Hope Gang Season 2. It's 2018, but they got it first. We love you guys and we support.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support and believing in us. And your April and your followers will see the young ladies' reactions on Thursday.
Oh, thank you. Hey guys, so it is like, what, 9:45 at night, and it's Vlogmas Day 18. I think today is Monday, December 18th. I'm pretty sure this is the 18th, but I just wanted to come on here because I have been working all day. I got everything accomplished that I told you guys earlier that I wanted to get accomplished. I've been running the world. I came in like a wrecking ball. Me and my little Christmas tree drummer boy, Parumpum-Pup-Humming. That's what I've been doing all day. Now, I done had me a late night snack. Get my little trash up. I'm about to take my little happy self in the kitchen. Cause I've been eating on this chicken and noodles all day and I want some more because I'm about to sit on the couch. I'm about to sit on the couch and watch some TV. I think tonight I'm gonna get caught up on the stuff on DVR, which I think is like Marcus Lemonis. This stuff was out of order. I think it's Marcus Lemonis and a couple other things that I missed. But I just been attacking this stuff right here. Y'all, it's this right here. It's this chicken and noodles. I've been eating this chicken and noodles and it done just now got right. Look at all this goodness. Look at all this amazing. It's got some Parmesan cheese, some cheddar cheese, some basil, red peppers, shredded chicken. That is wheat pasta. Organic cream of chicken, organic cream of mushroom. But you can simply take out all of the chicken in this and just do like, you know, vegetarian and then not have any meat. This is so good. This is the perfect portion. I've been eating it in this bowl because I don't want to over portion myself with all this wheat pasta and dairy. So I am about to get it cracking. It's time to kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Party on down to the
It's not the last down round. That's true.